In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure the area of a shape in Autocad using the Measuregeom tool. This is one of the fastest ways to calculate the exact area of rooms, floor plans, land plots, or any custom shape directly inside Autocad. First, make sure the shape you want to measure is closed properly. AutoCAD calculates area most accurately when the object is a polyline instead of separate disconnected lines. If your shape is made of multiple lines or arcs, select all of them. Then type Join in the command line and press Enter. This combines connected segments into a single polyline object. Once your shape is ready, go to the command line and type Measuregeom, or simply type Area and press Enter. AutoCAD will now ask what type of measurement you want to perform. Choose the Object option. This is important because instead of manually clicking points around the shape, AutoCAD can calculate the area automatically from the closed polyline. Now, click on your shape. As soon as you select it, AutoCAD highlights the object and instantly displays the area value in the command line. You'll usually see both the area and perimeter shown together. If the command line is too small to read comfortably, you can expand it slightly upward so the full measurement details become easier to see. From there, you can also copy the values if you need to paste them into reports, spreadsheets, or project notes. One important thing to remember is that the shape